Hey noobs, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Noob Mom, aka Stop It Out there, back with another episode of Clash of Clans. I am liking this way too much. It is less stressful when it comes to editing the videos. It's already sideways, so or horizontal or however you call that. Landscape or whatever. Anyways, it's so much easier. I just record it and upload it. I don't have to edit anything out. So except like maybe the last little 2 seconds, because the little bubble opens up for me to stop the video. But anyways, yeah, this is so much easier and I'm liking it. Hence the reason why I am playing or uploading more of this content of Clash of Clans than Clash Royale, and because you don't lose too many things like money or elixir. There you go. And I just like that. Okay, I'm gonna pick up everything on this side and check that my chaps are armed, and they are, and I'm gonna go this way now. I'm sorry. Okay guys, I said I was gonna fight the last fight. It'll probably give me another fight, so I'm gonna do that as well. I fixed things up a little. I think it's on our last video. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go straight into attacking. My troops are ready, so I'm gonna look for someone. This should be once again. Anyways, I need everything because I'm about to upgrade the battle machine. Not upgrade, but rebuild the battle machine. Okay, so if I put it over here, I'm gonna die. If I put it over here, I'm gonna die. If I put it over here, I'm gonna die. So let's see, is there anything outside? Nothing outside either. So I'm gonna probably put two right here, two right here, two right here, and two right here. Okay, kill the archer, please. Thank you. No, no, no. They kept attacking. Huh. Nice. Come on. Okay. I didn't even see what I got. It doesn't matter because I got a victory. Yeah. 80,000. Oh my god. I only need... Okay, so... Okay. Okay. I can't continue attacking. I only need like 40,000, no, 30 something thousand to start rebuilding this little baby right here. So let me pick up. Okay, so it's all the same. Okay, what can I do? I'm gonna start boosting. Oh yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Boost, 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 boost. I'm gonna lose a little elixir, but that's okay. Okay, so these guys are ready. Let's find it. Hopefully this won't take long and I take the victory. Oh boy. Over there, over here. Where's the... Man, I'm gonna start over here. Forget it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. What are you attacking? Attack this, that, there. There you go. There. No, 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 no. What are you, why? Get it! Oh, yeah. It's okay. It's okay. I'm good. I have a star. Hopefully. Victory, 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 victory. Oh yeah, that sweet sound. I love it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna return and I'm gonna start very, very quickly rebuilding this. Whew. Because that way I can continue to fight. Ooh-wee. Ended up with 0 money. But it's okay. It's all good. I mean, hey, whatever. Let's start over there and over here. Huh. Ay, ay, ay. This is gonna be a hard one. These are gonna buy because the no. Okay. What are you doing? And those, they're all gonna buy. It's okay. Come on, kill it, kill it, kill it. There you go. 28%. I don't think I'm gonna get the victory here. It's okay though. Oh, wow, look at that. Would you look at that? Ooh. Okay, so yeah, why not? Oh, guys, I'm so happy with this. Oh, boy, this is so nice. Neat, neat, neat. There you go. Oh, there's another one. Okay. I'm sorry, 31%. I thought I was like an 8%. Oh, I'm gonna take an L here, but it doesn't matter. Oh, I took a victory. Oh my god. Yes. Okay. I can continue to no. I was about to say, wait, what? What? Okay. So aren't we happy? Okay. Nice, 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 nice. So battle machine is gonna take like 11 hours to get built. Maybe a little less. Let me see how much boost we have left. We still have 3 minutes. Wow. So yeah, it's definitely gonna be under 11 hours. No, maybe. Well, it really doesn't matter because when I see you guys again, let me see something. Yes, when I see you guys again, that is going to be done. That's going to be done and we're going to be ready to jump into battle. So yeah, there you go. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this content. I know it's crazy and it's loud, but I really enjoy playing this game, to be honest. So please do me a favor, like if you like this video, subscribe if you like my content, go on Instagram noob.mom and you'll find all the pictures that I post there from Clash Royale and also Clash of Clans. So please do me a favor, go over there and follow me. I really appreciate everything you do for me. I appreciate you just being here and watching. It really means the world to me. So I'll see you guys on the next episode. This is your girl Noob Mom signing off. Never do I have a full battery while recording. Goodbye.